Hey, fourth grade. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here today. So, just to get you guys started, it's going to be not a simulation, but it's more of using the diagram tool in Amplify today. It is done with scientist Renee in the next video. But if you wanted to go into Clever to go through regular Amplify, not Amplify reading, regular Amplify, you can also do it yourself. So, before we get started, let's take a look. We've been trying to figure out how does sound energy travel, and here are some of the things that we've come up with as like our key concepts. We've come up with sound can travel through different kinds of materials. Materials are made of particles that are too small to see. Then sound travels as a series of collision between those particles, and then sound energy travels as a wave, and the particles of the material it travels through move only a little bit. So using those ideas that we talked about last week as well as yesterday will help us in the rest of today's lesson. So the new vocabulary word that we're working on today is this word transfer, to move something from one place to another. And you'll be learning how we're talking about those particles transferring energy as you watch and listen to scientist Renee today. You can pause me now if you want to write this down, either underneath all those other vocabulary words that we've been talking about last week, or if you want to put it on a new piece of paper, that's fine too, whichever works for you. But if you're trying to earn some extra effort, I'd pause me now. Hint, hint. So now if you wanted to do, this is going to be what the diagram tool is that you will be using with scientist Renee. If you want to do it yourself after, you are more than welcome. I'll actually show you right now how to go through Clever. So if I go through Clever, I'm signed in, right? And when you first come in, you'll be brought here, but you go all the way down to where your apps are. Notice there's Amplify Reading and Amplify Curriculum. You're going to the regular Amplify Curriculum like you did in school for science. I'm going to click here. I'm in fourth grade. And if it didn't go straight through, you should be able to log in with your Gmail. It should just go through as soon as you're signed in into Clever. But if it doesn't, sign into the Gmail using your KIP stuff. Go to Waves and Energy. We're using the practice tools. We're not using a simulation, so we're doing the particle model. And from here, you will be given some different things. You are going to first show which is the source and which one's the listener. Then you will be using these direction energy travels as well as the energy transfers. Remember, when you are using a practice tool and you are using a modeling tool, it will not tell you if you are right or wrong. So if you do this first before seeing scientists, working with scientist Renee in a little bit, you can check your work after against what she did and seeing like what you should have done or what you could have done better. Or you can do it after and just have that understanding of you doing it yourself. Either way works. Or if you just want to watch scientist Renee do it, that's cool too. I know some friends do like doing the simulations or practice tools. So that's how you can do it through Clever. If you have any questions, please let me know. But yeah, there's a way to earn some extra effort as well as some Beyond Z, and it's linked down below. So go take a look at that. Okay, guys. Well, this has been great. Till next time.